Welcome to KA-FunToon.
Old MacDonald went up the hill, E-I-E-I-O, to see what made a funny sound, E-I-E-I-O. With a stomp-stomp here and a stomp-stomp there, here a stomp, there a stomp, everywhere a stomp-stomp. Old MacDonald went up the hill, E-I-E-I-O.
There he saw a mountain goat, E-I-E-I-O, trying hard to sing a note, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald laughed with glee, E-I-E-I-O.
He sees a bird's kite stuck in a tree, then he heard a little chirp, E-I-E-I-O. A birdie cried, my kite is stuck, E-I-E-I-O. With a flap, flap here and a flap, flap there, here a flap, there a flap, everywhere a flap, flap. Old MacDonald scratched his chin, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald called his dog, E-I-E-I-O,
Come and help and bring a log,
E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a tug tug there, they made a ramp with extra care. Old MacDonald gave a grin, E-I-E-I-O.
They rescued the kite, the goat climbed up, the birdie cheered, E-I-E-I-O. Down came the kite, the hill folk cheered, E-I-E-I-O. With a yay yay here and a woo-hoo there, here clap, there a cheer, joy was in the air. Old MacDonald saved the day, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, now the hill is full of friends, E-I-E-I-O. Laughing, playing till the end, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a tweet tweet there,
Woofs and laughs filled the mountain air.
Old MacDonald went up the hill, E-I-E-I-O. And that's how Old MacDonald helped everyone on the hill. What a hero!